Hey guys, so quick video on how you can connect your Lenovo laptop to Wi-Fi. It's super simple, super quick. All you have to do is go to bottom right where you're gonna find Wi-Fi, and there you're gonna find options to turn the Wi-Fi on. It's similar really to Windows 11 or Windows 10. So you're gonna have like a part here that you would press Wi-Fi, and then you're gonna have Wi-Fi and connect. Now another way how you're gonna do it is that when you're gonna write in a search on your Windows Wi-Fi settings, and you can turn it on and off, and then what you can do is like also really simple. You can just then insert a password and things like that. So that's pretty much it how you're gonna do it. It's super simple. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.